Tomas and I are in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, and we are joined by Laurent Zerati, the chef and owner of Fleur de Sel. Thank you for joining us.
It's a great pleasure to be here today. Thank you.
Taste testing, which is a great job.
It is.
Yeah.
Could be worse.
Could do that every day.
Right, exactly. So allrecipes.com is where we found these recipes that we're featuring here on Washington Grown, and this one is chocolate beer cupcake. So best of both worlds, right?
Oh, yes. I love desserts.
Chocolate
love beer.
and
Here we
beer.
And whiskey.
And whiskey, yes. So let's explain. So this is from Meow the Cow, and these cupcakes are made from scratch with stout beer, filled with an Irish whiskey chocolate filling, topped off with some Irish cream icing.
Ooh, there's some
Good,
there's some
rich,
flavors.
Yes.
And so for our recipe, we're gonna use No Lie Porter. So No Lie
Perfect.
here in
Local
Spokane.
Yep.
We love them.
Yep. I have a huge sweet tooth, so you know, bring it on.
Well, what are we waiting for?
So yeah, let's do it. Right. Well, Laurent can hardly contain himself.
I gotta.
Anytime is a good time for a cupcake, right?
I know.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that's good.
That ganache inside is really rich.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Oh, man.
I didn't see the inside.
Love
Get
it.
into
I
that.
just hit the inside.
That's fantastic.
He's in heaven.
Oh yeah.
And that Irish cream is so perfect mixed with all
It's
these
so good.
Oh, man.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
And
And dessert. Kim said that she actually made it into a 2-layer cake instead of cupcakes. And so she filled the layers with the Irish cream frosting, and then she put the chocolate ganache
On top.
on top.
Oh, what a great
Cover
idea.
it to
Right.
make it, yep. And if you put a little more cream and less chocolate in that ganache, you could have a nice icing
Nice
on
pretty
it.
layer.
Yeah, exactly. It wouldn't be that that hard. So it would be a perfect chocolate cake instead of a cupcake.
Right.
You make it a chocolate cake, a birthday chocolate cake.
But we like this. This is portable. I can put at least 3 in my purse. Take them with me.
We'll watch it.
There's a few in the back. We'll see what happens to them.
It'd be a great thing for St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, yeah, it's a great idea.
You know,
Yeah, absolutely.
beer and whiskey. And chocolate
In a
cake.
in a cupcake.
And a cupcake.
Serve with another no-lie stout right
good.
next to it.
There we go. Cheers.
Love it, love it.
Cheers.
To get the recipe for these chocolate beer cupcakes, visit wagrown.com.